Like I always say, real estate investment is better 5 years ago to key in. And the second best time is now. The second best time is now. So I'm here to introduce you to our estate, our amazing estate called City Ocean Estate. So this estate is directly on the proposed Lekki Coastal Road linking Eleko to Victoria Island. So firstly, I want to let you know about the advantages of investing in this estate, because these are the major push that will bring you in. So this estate is just directly behind Amen Estate Phase 2. And let me surprise you, Amen Estate Phase 2 is selling for 30 million naira. You know why? Because Amen Estate now have buildings in the estate that they are selling. Amen Estate is serving CO4. That is just the difference from Amen Estate from this estate. So this estate is directly behind Amen Estate Phase 2. And also, this estate is currently on a promo of 5.5 million naira. Imagine having a 5.5 million naira estate behind an estate selling for 30 million naira. And let me also surprise you. I have a client that wants to sell a 5 plot from Amen Estate and is selling it for 23 million naira per plot. Why this estate is selling for 5.5 million naira? Like I said, the difference is just that is behind Amen Estate Phase 2, and the Amen Estate Phase 2 is having CO4. This estate is having government approved excision. It's free from all known encumbrances. So development also have already started way from Amen Estate Phase 2, and this estate is not directly behind it. So the best time to key in is now. Key in now. This estate is projected to sell for 50 million naira before 10 years time. So the best time to key in is now. This estate also is 3 minutes away from the roundabout, the eleko roundabout. This estate also is just 2 minutes away from the Eleko beach. This estate also is just 15 minutes from the Dangote refinery. This estate also is just 7 minutes to the filtration zone main gate. This estate is I can just mention, but the best time to key in is now. Come and invest now for that promo price, 5.5 million naira. The actual price of this estate is 7.5 million naira. Key in now. Is free from all known encumbrances. I expect your call for inspection. Meanwhile, I want to take you down to the Lekki Coastal Road. This estate is just directly by the Lekki Coastal Road. You can see the estate starts somewhere here, and the Lekki Coastal Road will be so wide. The Lekki Coastal Road will be wide, so it will start from somewhere here, I guess. So all these stuffs here will be cleared off as soon as the coastal road will begin. So I want to take you down. I want you to be sure of what I'm saying. This is the proposed Lekki Coastal Road. I want to also surprise you that this road you are seeing is being interlocked. I mean, they are interlocking this road from the Eleko roundabout, and I will attach a video of the road to this video. This road you are seeing links Eleko to Victoria Island, and they are interlocking this road down from the Eleko junction. Thank you. I expect your call for investments. All right. City Ocean View Estate, directly on Lekki Coastal Road. currently interlocking this road from the eleko roundabout. So this video is just to update you on the current development of the area. Signage on the walk, I'm talking of the road. So this is the ongoing road construction. This is the eleko roundabout. Why did I just miss Ekbe?